Jai Hind class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have discussed, just we are discussing about this one. Students, previous class we have discussed, yes, how to transforming the object. Clear students, how transforming the object. After that, how to color the tools like a pen bucket, using the pen bucket tools, in ink bottle tool and eraser tool. Okay, erase tool is for erase the whatever things we have made. Next one is whatever the how many types of eraser mode. So also we have discussed students. It's with tool we have discussed. Student, today we will discuss the frame by frame techniques. Okay, students. So this is the last topic of this chapter, frame by frame. How to do this one, students? Now I'm telling you. So see one this PDF file, frame by frame techniques. Students, frame by frame techniques. Animation in animate are created with the help of frames. Animation in animate are created with the help of frame. That means what number of frames we will make, then it will be animated. Frames in animate can be defined as the little rectangular cells which appear on the timeline. Frames are used to control and organize. Students, frames are used to control and organize the content of your movie. Clear? Objects in the timeline are placed in order as you want them to appear in the movie. As the same like keyframe, this is also a special type of frame. It is a special type of frames where what we can do define the change in the object for animation like positions, color and its shape. So students, in the frame by frame animation, what we can do, we can create the image in every frame. Let us add some artwork for the documentation. Drawing a star. First of all, we start from the drawing the star, how we will draw the star sequence. It is important to understand that each image drawn animate consists of a stroke, that means at outline. Select any color choice from the stroke color. So students, I have already opened. Students, create. Yes students, see one, this is stage. Now this is a color, this is stroke. Okay, here what we have done, stroke color and color box. These two things we will first of all choose. So stroke color, little bit, this is 0.10. Now little bit increase it. Okay, and style, whatever style you can take. Suppose I have taken this styles. Okay, now after that students, select the polystar tool and draw the star as explained previously while describing the polystar tool. Now we have already discussed students. Huh? So here polystar tool, first was select it. Now go to option menu. Here already there are two options, polygon and star. So now we are choosing a star, then OK, and after that we will draw the star off. Okay, clear students? Now what we have to do students? Till here we have done. Animate an object. How we will, whatever the object, whatever these things we have taken, how we will animate them? Click on the keyframe dot in the layer 1. The animation will begin from this particular frame. See everyone students, this is a timeline option. There is given layer 1. From this option we will start from, this is first, so here layer 1, the keyframe. Next one is, if we will do this way, so insert keyframe, this is dot is showing. Okay, we can see students. Now select the second frame in the timeline. Click on the insert timeline keyframe. Students, I am showing you with this uh, insert. Okay. Now timeline, layer, lay folder, frame, keyframe, and blank frame. So frame, here showing the frame. This is frame, and keyframe, again go insert, timeline, and keyframe. Okay, students. Frame 2 with a copy of the star. Using the, it means frame 1, frame 2 with a copy of a star. Using the selection tool, make a slight changes in the position of the star toward the right side of the stage. Changes its colors to orange using the fill color. So I am showing students each and everything. Now next one, just click on the F5. Now this is, and here we change the color. Now we are taking color this one, this switch. Okay. Next, for keyframe, we will use the shortcut keys F6, Control F, sorry, F6 only. Okay, F6. Now again F6. Okay, whatever we can do here. F6. Now again, if you want to change the color, now keyframe we will take to F5. Now change the color. Now again we are taking the F6. Next F6. Okay. So students, see here. Click the third frame of the timeline at press F6, insert keyframe. Shift the star slightly like this, sky blue, whatever color we can choose. Again, timeline press F6, right side changes color to yellow, or whatever we are doing, students. Okay, and this is the last moment I am telling you. Okay, this is 10. Now right click here, we are not getting here, so go on the control, and here we can see test movie. Control plus enter. See what happened. Whatever color we have chosen, students, this way we are getting. See students, this is animated work. It's changing the color. Okay. See this. This is also shaking also. So students, you can make each and any type of figure. Okay. Again we will do this, students. So we will take file, new options. It is opening. Create. Now we have got new things. We are taking the polystar tool. Now we will take the option polygon tool. We are changing. Okay. Clear, students? This is already layer 1. Same. Control F5. Sorry, F6. Because we want to keyframe. Here also we are taking keyframe. Okay. Now we want to change the color of this one. So now what we will take is, students, F5. Okay, this is a keyframe. This is a symbol of the keyframe. Now here, students, will change the color. Again same, F6. Next one, F6. The three positions we are taking the changing color. Now we will change. Now we will take the frame F5. Okay. Now again we will change the color. Save one. F6. Then F6. Then F6. Students, now you can see with the help of control, the option is given test. Okay, see one. The one color we have taken green, then blue, huh? Like this. Okay, so students, this way we can do students. So understood students? Students, after that, here given, now this chapter is overall completed students. Here given recap. Students, you can see what we have learned. Adobe Animate CC is a software package that allow the user, this is recap of this one, whatever we have learned. And after that, question answer is here when the blanks true false. So students, what we have learned, now we are going to previous work. What we have done students. Start from chapter 6, log on to Animate CC. What is Animate? It is software that allows the user to create interactive animations. Okay, this is a combination of the audio, video and other effect. How we can start, you know very well students. Go on the start button and Adobe Animate CC. What things we are getting? Menu bar, stage, animate workspace. What we are getting? Menu bar, the stage, the tools panel, the properties panel. Okay, students, here we can see this is the menu bar. Okay, students, this is the properties panel, this is toolbars, this is the stage. Clear? And this is the timeline. Clear students? After that, using the tools panel, what tools we can use? Here given all the tools section, option section, tool section and the view section. So students, you can see here, this is all the tool section. Here this is the selection tool, sub selection tools, free transform tool and the 3D rotations tool, and we have used text tool, pen tool, rectangle tool. First of all we have used, then oval tool, line tool, whatever, there are many tools. Okay, we have already used this one. Then after that students, see this rectangle tool. To draw the rectangle with the property inspector we can change. Okay, polystar tool have a star and polygon, so we have just now we have used this. Okay, line tool, we can draw the line and also we can curve this line. Clear students? How to do, students, you know very well. If you are taking the another one, file, go on the new options. Yes, create options, this is third. We have taken line tool. Okay, we are taken now by the selection tool. What? See students. Okay, we can do here. So this way, okay, we can drag. Then after that, we also having students. I am showing you. Students, I am showing you the text tool also here given. Okay, I am showing students. Text tool, this is we have drawn. Now after text tool, we can do taking time, wait students. Yes, we can write anything. Okay, suppose we are writing the okay, we have written, we can change, there all the things are given. Okay, first of all we will select it, then after that whatever. Okay, this way. Clear students? Color we can change, size we can change, each and everything we can do. Now after that students, what we have learned, how to cut the image by the with the help of laser tool, polygon tool and the magic wand tool. We have done students. Now selection tool, how we can select it. Okay, now its use we will see. After that, transform object. Here we have told previous class students, transform object, how we can do students. See one. Suppose with the polystar tool, we will choose here polystar tool. Okay, we have drawn here. Now students, where will go? Add anchor point. Okay, this is anchor point. Okay students, clear? We have done this way. First of all students, we can do also one more thing we can do students, with the help of anchor tool. There's two things here. We will join the anchor also in every place where we can. Okay, now we have joined, and here convert the anchor point tool. See this, by this is the selection tool. With the help of sub selection, click on the where the point. By this way we can do. Okay, see here, this way we can do. This is the use of the okay, this is use of the pen tool. These things we can do with the help of convert anchor point. And after that, pen bucket tool we have. How to use the pen bucket tool, ink bucket tool, ink bottle tool and eraser, how we can erase them. Okay, and there are types of erasers given. Weight tool. Today just we have discussed the frame by frame techniques. Okay students, so it means now you whatever the we have done students, huh? This chapter, so you have understand, and with practice, you can do, you will, huh? You will do this. Next, here given the fill in the blanks, true false, application based question, multiple choice question, and multiple choice questions. After that, the function of the tools, and then after that question answer. Students, so here we have made your question answer. Students, I'm telling you. It is opening students. Yes. Students, this is fill in the blanks. Is the area where we can create our drawings. You know students, stage. This is a stage. Next one is the area that is used to control the sequence and timing of the graphics and the other element of movie, that is the timeline. The tools used to draw a star, you know, polystar tool with 5 sides, with 6 sides, whatever. This is by default is given. Option can also be used to modify document. Modify document is a default mode of pencil tool. You know Straton. Okay. Using the tools, you can modify the start and the end angle of an oval. This is oval primitive. Okay, students. This is in the blanks. Now we talk about true false. The polystar tool used to draw polygon and star shapes. This is true or false. This is given the okay true. The text was used to insert the text on the stage. Yes, it is right. It is correct. To change the style of outlines of Style of lines, select and style options in the properties panel. Yes, students, whatever we are changing the styles, lines, stroke, whatever we are getting on the properties panel. So it is true. uh, the ink bottle is used to change the fill color, no better, that is false. Okay, shortcut key for pencil tool is P, no, that's false. And to quick delete everything from the stage, double click on the erase tool. Yes sir, yes students, we have done this. Okay, eraser tool. Next one is Sumit has to make a greeting card. He want to draw flowers on it. Which tool should he use? So obviously he used the drawing tools, because with the help of drawing tools he can make the drawing of flowers. Pen bucket tool. Why? Karthik has drawn a beautiful scenery. He has to color it, but he does not know how to do it. So you know, students, this is the pen bucket tool. Then he can color, fill the color on a scenery. Then after the students, this is the multiple choice question. Which of the following modifier of the brush tool allow you to paint blank area of the stage, leaving lines and unfills affected? Yes, pen behind. Students, here we can see for this answer pen bucket. So everyone, pen option we will go. This eraser option. Yes, students. Fill color button. Then after that, students, here you can see uh, so students, we can show here also pen bucket tool. Many options are given. Yes, ink bottle, the paint area, paint brush tool, and what option we are showing, students? Here, uh, which of the following modifier brush tool? Brush tool. We are just talking about the brush tool. This is one is brush tool. Okay, students. Pen behind. Okay, there are many options are given. Pen behind, with the help of pen behind, what we can do, students? Which of the following modifier of the brush tool allow you to paint the blank area of the stage, leaving lines and fills unaffected? So with the help of pen behind we can do. The function key used to insert keyframe, students, just now we have done F6 and first frame F5. Okay, this tool is used to draw precise path, straight line or smooth curve. We know pen tool. Okay, and this is the key combination used to break a part of text into the individual letters, that is control plus B. Yes, now these are function, you know, students. This is a pencil tool. First of all, this is the ink tool. Okay, sorry, pen tool. And next one is given eraser tool. This is eraser tool, and at last ink bottle tool. So pen tool, the pencil tool is given freehand drawing tool used to draw free form lines and shape, and pen tool, there is the used to draw precise. Okay, and eraser tool is used to draw unwanted lines and fills an object from the stage. Similar students, ink bottle tool used to change the stroke color with the styles of lines or shape outlines. Here the question says students, what is animate and what are the main parts of animate? Animate, what are animate is given, what are main parts? We have already discussed menu bar, stage, tool panels, properties panel and timeline. Difference between the pen bucket and bottle, ink bottle. Pen bucket tool includes area of object with a single click, while the ink bottle that is used to change the color with or styles of the strokes. Three mode of tools, students you know, straighten, smooth and ink. And straighten is the by default tool of pencil. Okay. Properties of the eraser modifier, you know, erase normal, erase fills. So explain it too briefly. So there are different types of erase normal, erase fills, erase lines, erase selected fills and erase inside, but there is given two, so we will discuss about only two. What are keyframes? It is special type frame where we can define a change in object for an animation like position, color, shape, etc. Okay students, so here we will discuss whatever the question answer is given, and these all questions and exercise we have completed, and these all are things you have to write on your copy. Okay students, what students you have to write? Whatever we are sending in your content group. Okay, this is a true false, MCQ, fill in the blanks, application based question, multiple choice, function of the following tools and question answer. You have to write students in your copy, in your notebook students. Clear? So now we are students, this chapter now is completed. Okay, so you have to practice, and whatever we are sending, question answer and exercise, you have to write on your notebook students. And you know that there are two chapters will come in your unit test 2, so you have to prepare. First of all, whatever we are sending the question answer and exercise, you have to write on a copy and start the learning. From next week we will start students, it's next chapter. You know, you have to prepare for that chapter, and you just practice, and whatever we are sending PDF file, you have to learn. First of all write, then learn them. Okay students, now I leaving class students. Jai Hind class. Thank you students.